You know, YouTube family, I'm not a popular YouTuber, but thank you for being kind, because if I upload my videos, it will banish my stress and my pain in myself. Why? This is the way that I express my reason for my life. Thank you very much, YouTube family. I have been for strike, but you give me a chance, because this is the way to relieve my pain and my stress in myself. Thank you, YouTube family. This is the 4th times that I violate those rules and regulation in YouTube bylaws, but you give me a chance. I'm not a popular YouTuber, but thank you for being kind. Thank you very much, because no, wala na sa ako. I don't know, no, if I am not popular or not, but I upload my videos because why? This is the way to express or to banish my pain. Thank you, YouTube. Strike for strike, wala na ka sa YouTube, but thank you for being kind, YouTube family. Thank you for being kind. You give me a chance. You give me a chance. Thank you for understanding, because in myself, this is the way to express my, my problem or my stress in our daily life. But thank you, YouTube family, for being kind. 4 strikes in 4 strikes violation, banish in YouTube. But thank you for being kind, YouTube family. Thank you very much, because I'm not a popular, I'm not sikat sa popular sikat, pero you give me a chance to upload my videos. In 4 days alone, in 5 days alone, you back my YouTube channel. 4 strikes. But I'm very, very thankful, YouTube. I'm very, very thankful. Sorry, I accept my mistakes. But thank you for being kind, because this is the reliever of my pain and my stress in my daily life. Thank you very much. I don't know explain what is my illness, but thank you very much, YouTube family. 4 strikes, 5 strikes na ako, but you give me a chance. Thank you very much, YouTube family. I appeal to you, but you give me a chance. I'm English spoken, but I'm a Filipino. Thank you very much, YouTube family. This is the reliever of my stress and my pain in myself. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your kindness. 4 strikes, 5 strikes. Wala na tayo sa YouTube. No way in YouTube, but you give me a chance. Thank you very much. I appreciate, I acknowledge, or any YouTube family, thank you. Thank you very much. 5 strikes. 5 strikes na ako. But you give me a chance. In 5 days, you give back my YouTube channel. That's why I'm very, very, very thankful. I'm not popular, but I'm very thankful to you, YouTube family. I salute. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Thank you very much. I love you.